Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2014 64 plate 420D M Sport Xdrive 2-door coupe. This vehicle is presented in the very popular sought after Estrel blue. Of course features a full your next car M Performance body styling kit, as well as the stunning 405M 20-inch style alloy wheels. 4 brand new tyres of course. At the front you can see the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side, as well as being a very clean and tidy example, you can see the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, as well as the very striking looks of the 4 Series. Inside we've got a really nice contrasting black Dakota leather. Both drivers and passengers can enjoy the heated and electric lumbar options. You can see there that's been kept in really great condition. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall of course explore more about that shortly, and all of the rest of the interior details. For rear passengers, you can see there that's the Isofix 2x2 arrangement with the central folding armrest, and again that's all in really nice condition. Our darkened M Sport headlining of course, and before heading to the very rear of the car, again showing you off as best as possible how well the 405M style alloys sit against the 4 Series. At the back we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then the matching rear diffuser. As I mentioned at the start, this is an Xdrive 4 Series, so that's BMW's very intelligent Xdrive 4-wheel drive system. If you've not yet seen inside the boot space, we'll let you take a minute to do so whilst I just explain. We are currently running a click and collect service here at Your Next Car at the moment, and if you would like to find out a little bit more about that, all you have to do is simply follow the links I'll leave for you in the description down below. That'll take you through to the website, and whilst finding out a little bit more about the click and collect, you'll also find a bit more about the car, including all of the prices and funding options available. With that out of the way, and of course we've taken a nice look around the exterior, we'll hop on board and show you some of the interior details, beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen. Starting with the sat nav, which is a really user-friendly system on anything within the BMW range, one of my personal favourites. We've also got the Bluetooth telephone and audio of course. In terms of other multimedia, there is of course DAB, along with all of the other usual refinements which you would expect to find of a car of this age, including AUX, USB, and of course the pre-mentioned Bluetooth audio. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls along with switches for our heated seats. In terms of mileage, this vehicle's covered just over 47,000 miles. It has got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with these paddles for that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. If we head on back through into the vehicle information screen, we can quickly check out the service requirements and service history for this car. The next service is not due for 19,000 miles time, and it has very recently been to BMW for a service, as you can see there. Again, that also included both the front brake pads and brake fluid as well, and a vehicle inspection. So thank you for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And as I mentioned, if you would like to find out some more about the vehicle, all you have to do is simply follow those links I will leave for you in the description. And we do of course hope to see yourselves very soon. In the meantime, however, do of course remember to get in touch via those links. Thank you, take care, bye bye.